In today's video, we head over to Canyonlands National Park and find modern dinosaurs, incredible vistas, beautiful arches, and then make it to Arches National Park where we see arches, arches, and more arches. We start off the day by joining many of Miriam's classmates and head off to Canyonlands National Park. A rare archaeological find, a payphone. And it's out of order. It sounds out of order. No food or drinks, no pets allowed. You know, part of me wants to say, exactly when did I die? Because I am in heaven. I feel good even after yesterday's hike. To be out here, the weather is a little chilly but great for hiking. And the view is, well, undescribable. You know, we've been in this area now for, this is our, gosh, I've lost track how many days we've been here. But I do not get tired of looking at this geography. It is profound. I thought I had a pretty good vocabulary, but apparently I can't find the words to describe the beauty of this area. This is Dead Horse State Park, which is down the street from Canyonlands. Nice little covered area here to keep you out of the weather. And the Colorado River. There's that road I was on. Just keeps going and going and going and going. Check out this road. It starts off just north of our location and goes all the way to Moab. It's considered a standard road not requiring four-wheel drive. Many years ago, I used a rental SUV with no problems, except fearing for my life. This is Mesa Arch in Canyonlands National Park, easily one of the most popular arches in the region. Very popular spot. You have to get in line to take pictures. It opens up to the canyon below, and it is one of the most photographed arches in the park. The most favorite time is to come here sunrise, and you'll find people from National Geographic and travel magazines and a bunch of people with very, very expensive gear trying to capture the perfect sunrise through the arch. And the depth perception, I'm fond of saying this, but this is so true, can't capture the depth and the openness and the expanse. I'm at a loss for words. It is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life. No group outing would be complete without the obligatory group shot.
After a quick picnic lunch with the group, we head over to Arches National Park. Arches National Park has the highest density of natural sandstone arches in the world, with over 2,000 documented arches in its little over 119 square mile area. 2 national parks, 1 day.
And a state park.
And a state park. We're in Arches National Park.
Okay.
We're heading up to Double Arch. Is that what's Double Arch? And off to the right, you see arches in progress of being formed. And off to the left, another one being formed. Blessed with some good weather today. It's in the 50s right now. It's a lot warmer than it was up on the Canyonlands. We're higher up there too. So Miriam, what do you think? Well guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. Appreciate you guys tagging along with us. Got a busy day tomorrow. We're going to hike that Slot Canyon and visit a filming location, one of my favorite sci-fi spook. Y'all take care.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Feel free to leave a comment below.